Okay, Tuesday, June 14th. Just wanted to follow up one more time on Expedia just to show you it did in fact come down and take out those intraday lows, paused a little bit, and then it's starting even lower. So all the way from up here, you can see we've pretty much steadily come down for 2 hours. I don't know how much lower, again, it's going to go today, but you can see the options themselves. Although they last traded at 5, they're not that, there's a 445, 545, 570 bid ask, so you could have probably got 550 out of those if you held on. But at this point, I just wanted to kind of point out that the main thing is you want to look for the right stocks to trade each day. Expedia was certainly one of the weak ones, a little rally. You could expect to move lower. You can see other stocks like NVIDIA are actually trying to move up today a little bit. Not that much, and it's probably a good opportunity buy puts right here for the very short run. I don't think it's going to go much higher, but you never know, so I wouldn't even do that. But the point is, you could see like the oil stocks, they started up, kind of paused, couldn't make another push up, and now they're heading lower. So once it failed here, then you could have kind of looked for a pause area here to test the lows on a trade. So every stock has its own personality. Today's sort of a choppy day overall. Some sectors are up, some are down. But the Expedia trade, you can definitely look at this type of chart and see why this is looking, much weaker than some of the other stocks that are out there. Even Amazon, you can see here, that kind of pushed down, but it didn't really make a new low, and now we're just chopping around inside that first bar all day. So every stock has its own little story. You got to keep that in mind. Expedia was a good put today. Other stocks like Tesla, not so much. If anything, they kind of tried to go lower, couldn't, and they were a good play to kind of at least push up a little bit in the short run, but they still really haven't rallied much above yesterday's, price action. So that's why probably they're just in a trading range and looking to sell off a little bit near the end of the day. So anyway, just pointing out Expedia definitely, it definitely set up a total no risk trade right from the start. There was never anything to be concerned about. It moved straight down, and it did eventually take out those lows. I just wanted to point that out. But probably when you see one move down, two moves down, that's probably all you're going to get for the day. Good trade on Expedia. And again, tomorrow is Fed day, so we'll kind of have to be patient and see what happens. Just let the price action guide us to the good trades.